In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save emails as a PDF in Gmail. This can be particularly useful if you need to store important emails on your computer or share them as documents without any formatting issues. So let's dive right into the process and see how it's done. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, browse through your inbox and find the specific email that you would like to download as a PDF. The process is straightforward, but it's important to ensure that you have the right email open before proceeding. After you've opened the email, direct your attention to the top right corner of the email interface. Here, you'll notice a printer icon. This icon is part of Gmail's built-in functionality to help you either print your email on paper or save it in a more digital-friendly format like PDF. Click on this printer icon to proceed to the next step. Once you click the icon, a new tab will open up. This tab is part of your browser's print options, and it should look somewhat familiar if you've printed documents from your browser before. Here, you're going to make a crucial adjustment. Look for the section labeled Destination. By default, this may be set to your local printer. However, what you want to do is change this setting to Save as PDF. If you don't see this option right away, it might be listed under Change or See More. Selecting Save as PDF basically tells your browser that instead of sending this document to a physical printer, you'll be saving it digitally in what we call Portable Document Format, better known as PDF. This format is ideal for emails because it preserves the layout and design, making the text easy to read and the images clear and sharp. Now, the last step is pretty simple. With Save as PDF now set as your destination, go ahead and click Save. Your computer will prompt you to choose a location to store this PDF, and you might want to select a folder where you typically keep important documents. Doing so will make it easier to find the email later on. And just like that, you've successfully converted your email into a PDF. It's now stored safely on your computer and can be accessed just like any other document. Whether it's for archiving purposes, easy access offline, or sharing with others who might not use Gmail, saving emails as PDFs is a practical skill to have. Hopefully, you found this tutorial clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.